I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue. And I will stay with you. We'll make it to the other side like lovers do. I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for yours to, until I can wait for you. I'll wait for you. 'Cause I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when they say there's nothing left. So don't give up on. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes. I'm not going down.
We needed hand sanitizer, and apparently everybody else in the world needs hand sanitizer too. So from what I understand, the property manager guy was up welding our stands the night before we opened. Had him here by 10:30 for an 11 a.m. open.
No matter what this world will throw, it won't shake me loose.